What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Dentolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you're going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Dentolyn works. What is Dentolyn? Dentolyn is a specialized oral wellness dietary supplement formulated to support gum strength, fresh breath, and a balanced oral microbiome. What makes Dentolyn unique is its focus on the oral ecosystem, supporting the good bacteria while helping limit harmful microbial activity. This microbiome supporting approach is rooted in emerging dental science that connects gum health with overall systemic wellness. Dentolyn is manufactured under strict quality and safety standards, offering users a clean, transparent formula free from harsh chemicals. Dentolyn's plant-based extract minerals are chosen for their potential to soothe tissues, reduce buildup, and promote long-term oral resilience. For individuals seeking a non-invasive, supportive approach to daily gum and mouth care, Dentolyn serves as a convenient and science-influenced solution. By integrating it into a consistent oral routine, users may experience fresher breath, strengthened gums, and improved oral comfort over time. How does Dentolyn work? Dentolyn works by targeting the oral microbiome, the complex community of bacteria that influences gum strength, breath freshness, and overall oral comfort. Dentolyn natural compounds help rebalance this ecosystem, reducing harmful bacterial activity while supporting beneficial flora for a healthier mouth environment. The Dentolyn formula also nourishes gum tissues by supplying antioxidants and plant-based bioactives known for their soothing properties. These nutrients assist in calming irritation, supporting circulation in the gums, and promoting more resilient, fortified oral tissues over time. Dentolyn further aids in reducing plaque buildup by creating an environment less favorable for bacterial adhesion. With consistent use, this process may help keep teeth surfaces cleaner and contribute to improvements in breath quality and daily oral hygiene. Another key mechanism involves supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. By helping to moderate chronic oral inflammation, a common trigger for gum discomfort, Dentolyn encourages healthier and more stable gum function. Finally, Dentolyn works synergistically with daily brushing and flossing routines, enhancing the overall effectiveness of traditional oral care. Its holistic approach supports long-term oral wellness, giving users a science-backed supplement that can complement professional dental guidance.